Okay, welcome to my last coursework for Moodle. I'm Scott again. Um, I was so happy to give you my lecture to you guys, and I'm very happy to give you final lectures to you. Uh, this is uh, uh, this is the time to show you how to use the real Moodle site. As you know, uh, Moodle ORC provides a server sandbox explorers. Every one hour it will be listed as initially initialized, and it is a restricted sandboxes. But I think it's very useful ways to test our knowledge about the Moodle things. So from now on, I'd like to give you very short examples how to create the coursework, and then how to set up the coursework using the tools provided by the Moodles. Okay, for computer ways, I'd like to log in as admin. You can see the username and password. So here you can see the available courses, and you can see uh, the topic types of contents is here. And I'd like to uh, show you the very standard ways. First one is a topic-based format, and this is the weekly-based one. So to make a new courses, you might remember you need to be a coursework administrator or the manager. So here you can see the courses menu in the site administration navigations, and then you can first time you can see the click to manage courses and category. And here, as you might remember, you can make categories, and you can select one of their categories, and then you can create your coursework in this ways. So because you already select one of the courses which is chosen by in the category sections, here you just give the course full names. Okay, mathematics. Okay, this is the short name. It could be a code name, something like that. And this is the category. Maybe you might change your category too. So this is the course start date. You need to remember that it could be related with the starting date when you choose the weekly format. I should remember that. This is the course description, so you can use web editors, and you can give some files. Maybe it is helpful to make your student understand about your coursework. So this is the way of how to change your coursework. There are other coursework types and the social and single activity format. Maybe you can see more details in about these things. Here, I want to use the topic and topic, and I want to 10 topics in my courses. Okay, and here you can see other options, and maybe you don't have to change other things if you have any other planning to make it. So after you make your courses, you can see the enroll mode. Okay, so here this is the manual enrollment methodologies, and you can select which person should be student in your class. Also, you can select other roles like manager, teacher, something like that. Okay, here I want to just check the student. So in this moment we have 4 students in these classes. Okay, and let's finish, and then you can see the list of the the student. And if you want to remove, if you allow unallow the the some of your student, you just click the cross buttons and you can easily remove your student. Okay, so here we have 3 students. Okay, okay, let's start our math courses. Okay, this is the first look of the coursework. Maybe one of the student might see like this, but because I'm a administrator, so I can see the turn editing on. Okay, so if I click this one, maybe you have a different looks from the previous one because editing mode is enabled, so I can see this kind of buttons, and you can change the blocks, and you can add activities, resources, and quarters, and the other things you can change these other settings. Okay, so from now on, I'd like to add some activities or resources in this course. Well, firstly, I want to upload the files directly from my computers. This is a very simple ways to drag and drop one of your files into the Moodle course. So it's automatically unloaded, and then it has it is unloaded, and then it has course file names and some other metadata should be in, because it has a little big size. It takes a little times to okay, after it is downloaded, and then you can see the details of this file. So you can see the editing mode, and automatically file name is given by the file names, and then you can give more details explanations about these files. And if you want to change your files here, then you can add another files in this ways, and you can put in here another files. And okay, let's, because I just opened this one, I need to other descriptions for these files. Okay, this is the first way to give files in a coursework. And if you want to add a new forums, and then you can select the forum, and then you can add. So here you can see, you can give the name of forum like this, and also you can give the descriptions, and this is the way to change the form types, and as I told you, we have 5 options, and single simple discussion. Each person's post one discussion, Q&As, and standard forum. This is the usual ways to operate the forums. So I want to leave it as it is. Okay. Okay. After that, we can start our forums, discussion forums. So everyone can participate in the forums, and then they can start new discussions. So this is the way to post the forum questions, and then after that, everybody participate, and then they can reply, and they can discuss with each other. And this is the way to make them communicate. Okay, and if you want to open a new quiz, something like that, okay, let me show you one example about that. Okay, so this is the first quiz. So quiz blah blah, and there are so many options here, but I don't want to explain everything about that. Okay, let's leave it as it is, because if you want to change these options, you need to see the references which I already have shared with you. So then maybe you can understand what it is, because there are so many options about the course quiz. So we need some time to think, to learn about quiz. But today I'd like to show you a very simple way to make the quiz and display the questions, and that's all I want. So after that, you make the quiz settings, and then you can see the edit quiz, and then you can make your own questions using this mode. Okay. There is other potential. If you have uh, if you have already some questions in your question banks, and you can see the list of the questions here. But in this moment, we don't have any questions. So that's why we cannot see anything. So here, this is the very basic ways to make the questions using these options. I want to make one of the multiple choices, and then I click the add. So so this is the questions, and okay, so this actually it is not the math quiz. But you understand that. So there are several options to feedback. This is the general feedbacks, and this is the way to make the multiple choices. There is you know that the 5 choices here. So but you don't have to use everything. Okay. So here I want to give some choice list. Okay, first one is solve. Second one is Tokyo. It's Beijing. First one, New York. Okay. After that, you need to select which one is the correct answers. So this is a way to select the answers. Okay, if you choose 100%, and it means that Seoul takes the 100% grades among these choices. If you have two choices here, you can separate 50 and 50, something like that. But in this case, there is only one. There is only one answer. So in this case, you can just give 100% grade to one options. Okay, and then you can save, and then you finished to make your quiz. Okay, you can see the list of the questions which you already you just made in the quiz question bank. And let's return to our coursework. And if you are a student, and you can see, you can test your quiz. As you see, it is a very simple questions. This is the way to test your student. Okay, so I think this is a very basic explanation of how to make the coursework. I think it might not be enough for you to understand how to make the course, but on the basis of this understanding, you can improve your understanding how to make the coursework. Okay, this is all I prepared in this moment. I don't think it's not enough for you to understand everything about the Voodoo. I think it's just a starting point for you to understand Voodoo. So you need to find out some other resources in like Voodoo ORG. There are so many good informations to make you understand. But practice is much more important than other resources itself. So whenever you have a time, you can use these sandboxes. You can try your knowledge oh, maybe you can participate in some forums in Voodoo communities, and there are so many people to help you around. Anyways, I'm also I hope to be one of them to make you understand the Voodoo things. So if you have any questions, you can send me email. Okay. Okay. See you guys. Thank you. Bye.